Do you have a yoga wheel? This class is for you. So grab your yoga ball. We are going to go ahead and sit on our mat. Just pull your juicy flesh aside. Find those sit bones and really press and anchor them into the mat. Notice if you want to naturally kind of lean back or slump. I invite you to find the sit bones. Think of sending roots down into the earth and then lengthen in opposition up. Find your yoga wheel and extend the arms long. Take a breath. On an exhale, think of dropping your chin forward. Belly draws in and back as you reach forward. This is like a spine stretch in the Pilates repertoire. I want you to press the backs of the legs into the mat. Belly draws in and back as you reach up and over with your spine. Hollow the belly back as you're reaching. And then to restack, you're going to start to find those sit bones and then lengthen, coming up nice and tall. I notice how I kind of lost my shoulder girdle there. Let's pay attention to it this next time. Take a breath. Exhale, belly draws in and back as the chin drops, and we come up and over with our spine, up and over with the spine as the belly draws in and back, up and over with the spine as the belly draws in and back. Press the backs of the legs into the mat. Breathe for 3 and 2 and 1. Now, just take a look at my shoulders. Notice how I want to lift them here. Don't let that happen. I'm externally rotating and I'm kind of pulling them apart. Belly draws in and back. Find my sit bones. And then I lengthen up, pressing my hands into the yoga ball, lengthening all the way up. One more. Exhale, belly draws in and back. Head drops, spine goes up and over with the spine. Belly draws in and back, in and back. Do not lift your shoulders up to your ears. Reaching forward, hollow the belly. And we press the backs of the legs into the mat, reaching. Belly in and back, spine up and over. Exhale, we find the sit bones, then press into the yoga wheel, lengthening all the way up. Whew, so nice. And go ahead, we'll take this forward. And we'll extend one leg up here. Find those sit bones, reaching your arms out here. On an exhale, draw the navel in toward the spine. Belly draws in, swoops up. Now, in this position, I just want you to lift the scapula away from that back line and then plug the arm bones back into the shoulder girdle. Lift and reach. It's just a movement of the scapula, then come back. One more. We lift and reach. Come back 3/4 of the way, then externally rotate and kind of open here. Beautiful. Belly draws in and back. In and back. Hollow hug. So nice. From here, lengthen through the crown of the head. Imagine there's a peach between your chin and your chest. And as I press into this top foot, the other leg's going to float up to meet and lower. Exhale, meet and lower. Exhale, meet and lower. One more. Hold it up and lower. So nice. From here, I will lift it up and I'm going to change legs. And exhale, lift and lower. And lift and lower. And lift and lower. 2 more. Lift and lower. Keep reaching. Lift and lower. Coming up, both. I want my heels together, my toes apart. Hollow hug the belly. Hollow hug the belly. Up and over with the spine. Find that kind of strange spine stretch here. So nice. Then come right there. Float the arms up. Float them up. Lean back. Press my heels together into the yoga wheel. Come back up. Flat back. Lean back. Come back. 2 more. We lean back. Come back up. Last one. Lean back. And then we're going to float one leg off, down, and then the other one coming up nice and tall. And then just hinge at the hips, stick your tail out, reach, drop your forehead down. Flex your fingers to the sky. Reach, reach, reach. Drop your chin. and coming all the way up. The yoga wheel's going behind you. Bring your feet to the front of your mat. The yoga wheel is just going to be right behind you, just slowly rolling back. I want you to think of pressing your sit bones into the mat and going straight down. Now, keeping the sit bones there, draw the belly in and press the spine toward the yoga wheel. So without my belly engagement, this is what I look like, you see? Now as I engage the belly, you see the difference? From there, I have my hands behind my head and I'm opening the elbows up, starting to lean back. Just take some time sunbathing here. Ah. Oh, it feels so nice. See if you can just soften the heart, allowing it, but don't let your belly disconnect. You still need to draw your navel in toward the spine. Press your feet in toward the mat. On an exhale, we're going to come up. Woo! Reach your arms, hands wrap around those knees, coming up to seated. Let's just take a little bit of a butterfly. And then melt your chest forward. All the way up. Bring this time your knees together, feet together. And this wheel is coming against your spine. I'm sticking my sit bones toward the mat as I roll back, interlock my hands. I'm going to lift up my bottom. Beautiful. Holding right here. Elbows are reaching out to the side. Now start to drop the tail and then press it up. Drop the tail, press it up. And see if you can press through both feet. It's pretty tricky. And drop. And press. One more. Drop. This time reach the tail toward the mat. Belly draws in. Swoop that belly up. Float the chest. Reach your arms. Belly draws in to press your spine toward the yoga wheel, but then curve the upper spine up and over, up and over, up and over. And then grab the knees, coming all the way up. And then we'll cross our legs. Go ahead, placing your palms face up on your knees. We'll end with 3 breaths. Big inhale. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale. Last one.